Hello guys, in this video we will see Nmap cheat sheet with examples. Nmap is short for network mapper. It is a popular open source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. We are going to use this Nmap cheat sheet. I will keep this sheet in the video description. See, we have the different scanning types like port option, port discovery, scanning types, scanning command syntax, host or IP discovery, version detection, Nmap out formats, firewall proofing, Nmap timing options, scan options. Okay, so we will see some examples in each section. Okay, and remaining you can practice. See, I am on Kali Linux 2024. If you are on Ubuntu or Windows or any other operating system, if you want to install Nmap on Windows or Ubuntu, you can go to the link provided in the video description and install it. Then perform the same operations on Windows and Ubuntu. Okay, but I am on Kali Linux. Click on applications, then select the vulnerability analysis, then select the Nmap. See here we have the Nmap also. I have installed Nmap. It is the GUI tool for the Nmap. Click on Nmap. Nmap is command line tool. See here, these are the examples. Okay, see, these are the examples and this is the information about the Nmap. If you go up, see, this is the usage and this is the version number. Okay, see, Nmap, then you have to provide the scan type. Not only this one, we can open terminal, close this one. Even we can run the same Nmap commands in the terminal. See, the first example, it is going to scan the only this particular port information, and this is the IP. -p means port. Okay, so go to Nmap -p, then give the port number 20, then provide the target IP. I have the another machine running on 68.129.142. see, another machine is running on this IP. Let me copy this one and I will show you. Open new tab, ping. Yeah, it's already done. See, we are able to ping. Okay, let me close this one, then hit enter. There is one closed port, that is telnet. Okay, if you want to see list of the IP ranges from 23 to 1000, give it and hit enter. See, we have only one open port, that is 80, and it is the TCP port, and this is the service name. Okay, and if you want to see IP ranges from 23 to 10,000, we will get this some more port information. See, we have one more port, that is 5432, which is used by PostgreSQL service. Okay, so next one is, if you want to scan all ports, you have to give this one. See, until now we have seen port scanning for specific ports. If you want to run for all ports, you have to give -p, Nmap -p, then hyphen, then target IP or host name. Hit enter. See, it is scanning all ports in this target machine. This will take time because it has to scan ports from all. See, it has only these 3 ports. Only these services are using only these ports. Okay, remaining you can practice them. And here scanning types. Here we have the TCP SYN port scan, TCP connect port scan, and etc. we have. See, this is the example and this is the switch to be used with Nmap. See, Nmap, then you have to provide the switch and target IP. So I am going to use this ping scan. So Nmap -p and port number. Okay, go there, Ctrl L to clear screen. Nmap -p, then provide the port number 192.168.129.142. See, failed to resolve the decode support. Okay, that's fine, but that is the example. Next, host or IP discovery. See, these are the switches, small s and capital L means without scanning. This is disable port scanning, so it won't scan the ports, and this is port scan only, no host discovery. Okay, we will see this one. Nmap port number, then -pn. P means only port scan. Okay, and this is the ports from the range. So we will see this one. Nmap target IP -8 pn. So Nmap hyphen, switches can be anywhere, pn 192.168.129.142-8. See, it failed to resolve. Okay, let me give /8. Okay, it is taking time. In meantime, we will go to another section. You can practice the scanning command syntax and all. Okay, now we will see the what version of the services running. Okay, suppose if you give -s and v, it will give the services version numbers. Cancel this one, it is taking time. So nmap, port number, IP number, -sv. What it will do? See, it will give these services along with version numbers. Okay, hit enter. See, SSH version is 8.9 and HTTP or Apache web server version is 2.4.2. PostgreSQL version is 9.6 or later version, but it is not giving the exact version. Okay, see, it took 19.32 seconds. But if you want aggressive scan, if you go scroll down, see here we have the different scans from slow scan to very aggressive scan. So we have to append this scan type. Okay, so Ctrl L. For this, if you want aggressive scan, just give T-caps T and 5. It will be very fast. See, it took 14.59 seconds, but before it took 19.32 seconds. If you go again, it will take very less time. See, now it took less time. Okay, because the information is there in cache. Okay, until now we have tried with IP numbers, but if you want to see the domain names, if you want to see the manual of Nmap, give the man then space Nmap. See, this is the definition and this is the more information about the Nmap. You to quit. Now scan with host name. So if you don't know any host name, open Nmap. See, we can use this scanme.nmap.org. Copy it, minimize it, paste it, then give -vn. What it will do? It will give the versions of the services running on this domain or host. Hit enter. See, it is not giving the much information. Okay, see here we can combine not only single switch, we can give the along with any one of, see, -sl, then -t01, t0 or t1, t1 like this we can give, and we can give the target IP or host name. See here, this is the command nmap-open. Let us see, nmap-open, then provide the target IP, hit enter. See, these are the list of the open ports. I will keep this document in the video description. So in this video we have seen Nmap cheat sheet with examples. For more hacking or cyber security or networking videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.